We wanted to show you what makes our van different from other vans.
As you've guessed, being in a wheelchair requires some special equipment.
So come on in and let's check this out.
Check it out.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down. Crashing like thunder, steel in your veins. Nothing can take you down.
Tell us about your van, our van.
Oh,
Don't fall out.
leave me. This is my 2015 Ram Promaster. It is white.
Stop it.
It's a Ram Promaster now.
Okay.
2500.
What kind of engine is it?
3-liter turbocharged eco diesel.
Turbocharged.
4-banger.
Okay. Whatever that means. Now let's.
4-cylinder.
Okay.
My wife says I have to tell you, this is a tire.
No, I did not. Well, nice. They are nice. All-weather tires.
Some more power. In case we get hookups. In case we get a little hot inside, we got to turn on the air conditioner. Bow, bow. Bow, wow.
Some really pretty hardwood floors. They're a little dinged up, but I can shine them right up. And right now, right when you look in the door, you see this desk area. So there is a desk area. Some nice upper cabinets. Huge storage area above the cab. Back from the cab area, you can see the kitchenette, which has a sink, some upper cabinets, underneath cabinets. Looking straight at the bed, it's really high with the under storage. And this right here is the bathroom. Yay, it's got a porta potty, storage area, and mirror. Then currently there is a refrigerator and microwave underneath the cabinet, upper cabinets, and there was a board in the back to separate the garage area from the bed. We took that out because we're going to need a bigger mattress. This is currently only a twin, but we're going to have a bigger mattress area that goes all the way back to the doors.
Going up. That is an under-vehicle lift from Braun Ability. We chose that system because we didn't want the traditional lift that would take up floor space here inside our van.
And the whole entire doorway.
Yeah,
So
we're limited. We have minimal space to begin with. The wheelchair has a large footprint, and you have to have sufficient space to turn around, travel a little bit, right? I got to cock it sideways to transfer onto the bed.
And we have a really cool seat that we both love right up there.
Yep. This is a 6-way power seat for the captain's chair, and we got it. We need it because without it,
Derek wouldn't be able to
impossible
drive.
to get in. Yeah, impossible. So I got 3 switches. First switch, slide backwards. Second switch, or I'm actually going to go to the third switch to do a turnaround. Back up a little bit. And then the middle switch is up, down. Got it down as far as it'll go. Slide it back a little.
And that's how he transfers in the driver's seat.
And I would, yeah, transfer from the wheelchair into the driver's seat, drag my feet around, we're off and running. Gas, brake.
Nothing by the feet.
Nothing by the feet. Brake, gas.
Okay, and for the cab, we like to have these blankets over the seats because they are extra blankets if we need them, and they look really good. And then these window coverings I made, and I put denim on one side and Reflectix to reflect the sun on the other side. So when we're parked camping, this is usually how we have the cab. We also have a blackout curtain for when we are stealth parked. Now moving into the kitchen, this is our little kitchenette. It has a sink and a flip-up side table, which we really like. It extends the countertop by 1 foot, but also gives room for Derek to be able to get in and out of the captain's seat with the wheelchair. We also have these awesome upper cabinets that hold a lot of stuff, and we like that we have a cutting board and our little fruit hanging basket really is helpful too. And this is where we store our silverware. And there's multiple drawers for different cutlery, and up above there's cups and some other jars. And then you can see this is where we have utensils and a lot of condiments, spices. Love to cook, so there's lots of spices and other stuff. Yeah, the cutting board covers the sink, so we haven't, that even extends our cutting space and cooking space even more. And then underneath the sink we have a 12-gallon gray water tank, and then we hold miscellaneous stuff under there, including an induction burner and a regular gas burner. And up above here is lots of storage. Extra paper towels, garbage bags, our aluminum foil, lots of tools and stuff are up there. And this sign is perfect for our bathroom because just roll with it has always been our motto. We like to say when life hands you a curve, just roll with it. So this is the bathroom, and I just love it. Put up some wallpaper to make it look really cute. It has a medicine cabinet, which comes in very handy. Got some cleaning supplies there. A full-length mirror, which hardly any vans have, which I really, really, really like. Has a tiled floor, and underneath is our portable shower, which we can shower in. I can shower in there. Derek can't in the actual bathroom, but he can shower behind the van or in his little trailer. But here is a pan that I put on the floor, and I removed the toilet and put it in the hallway, and this pan on the floor and the portable shower, and I can actually shower in here. It also is like a closet, so there's the vacuum. It can be a broom closet, coat closet, you name it. We can hang it up in here. And that is actually my shower bag that I can grab if I'm going to go to a public shower somewhere. And now for the rest of our living space. I really like this side table that also folds up. And this is where we have our refrigerator most of the time. We also have shore plugs. And this is another upper cabinet that stores food. Lots of canned goods, freeze-dried foods, soups, all that kind of stuff goes here. Really, we do get quite a bit of food storage in this van. We also have this refrigerator freezer, and it is this certain size because it does slide under the bed. It has its own spot. See that whole big spot? It has a whole spot just for the refrigerator to slide under because it needs to slide under so Derek has the most room with his wheelchair to get in and out of bed at night, okay? That's how we chose the size, but we end up loving this thing. Anyway, it makes ice. It keeps things frozen hard as a rock if you want. And also, look at it, has ice trays down there. So, I love ice. I love iced tea, so I needed a freezer. Then on the fridge side, it holds an awful lot for a small fridge. This is where all the dairy and meat goes. Anything that needs refrigeration. But it holds a lot. So that's fridge, freezer. And then last but not least, we also have a produce bag. And this is where we keep stuff that, these things aren't like super pertinent. They'll just get wilty, but they're not going to go bad. So we have our produce bag. And that's just how we do it. Obviously, if we could fit a huge refrigerator, we would keep it together, but we don't. So this is how we do our trips. So as far as where we store the rest of our dishes, such as pots, pans, plates, all that kind of stuff, it's in this big bin under the bed, which holds quite a bit. And we can also eat in the van. We have this table that used to be just plain black that I wallpapered to match the back of the van and the bathroom. Anyway, we can fold it out. It lives behind the refrigerator. And we fold it out and we can eat on that table. Or I can pull it up to do some work on it with the laptop. But it comes in very handy and it's just right out of the way. We don't even need a fancy table. We just have this fold up table. So what we do is I will sit on the bed and eat, and Derek will roll up with the wheelchair to this side of the table. And here are some pictures of us before I wallpapered the table eating when we were stuck in the snow. There'll be an episode that you can click above to watch that episode. It was a really great episode, so I hope you watch it. And here's where I like to sit when I am editing or working on a video. So now on to the bed. The bed is a full size, which is 53 inches wide, and it is dropped all the way down onto the wheel wells. That is literally as low as it will go for Derek to be able to transfer onto the bed easily. There is a 20-gallon fresh water tank underneath the mattress, as well as 200 amp hours worth of batteries and a 1200 watt inverter. We put a map as the headboard to remind us of all the places we still want to go. And we have this tray table we love to put our laptop on or put our phone up to watch a movie or just read a good book. For our clothes storage, we use duffel bags hanging on barbecue hooks on the back doors. We use packing cubes to organize our clothes, and if we want something new, we have to get rid of something. And we store extra blankets in the cubbies above. This is our portable backup Blue Eddy power station, and it is dedicated to our phones and my CPAP machine. There is even more storage at the foot of the bed and on the side of the wall for miscellaneous stuff. Our 200 watt portable solar panel is stored right under the mattress right there. And inside this gray carpeted area is a rear AC and heater system that the VA put in. We just keep crates under here to hold up the rest of our gear and tools. Just an extension cord, tools, battery jumper, and shovel, etc. is down there. Over there, all our wires to the solar. You can see that we have a charge controller there, and there is a fuse panel there, and then the red button is to turn off the entire battery system. This crate holds our shore power, electrical hookup, and our hose with water filter. This mattress is a full-size tri-fold mattress, and it really helps us because it's heavy to lift a mattress, and you can fold it up and put it at the end of the bed when you need to get to the battery compartment. You will want to stay tuned for info on this mobile man cave, and you might notice the fire truck pulling away in the background.